Okay. Good morning, everyone. Fellow Ugandans, members of the press, distinguished guests. Today I rise not as a politician from the corridors of privilege, but as a citizen just like you, who has seen enough suffering, enough broken promises, enough recycled theatre. My name is Benjamin Kalyesubula, and I am standing before you as an independent candidate in the 2026 presidential race. Not because I seek power, because Uganda deserves a new kind of leadership. For too long, our beloved country has been betrayed by both the ruling government and the political parties. They have traded places but not transformed Uganda. They have urged on stages but not built bridges. For our children, they have spoken about change but delivered the same cycle of corruption, stagnation, and political theater. Most of them, they are just in their political after. Let us speak plainly. Fellow Ugandans, our health system is crumbling. Mothers are dying while giving birth. Children are losing their lives to treatable diseases. Education is unequal and underfunded. Our public schools are struggling, our graduates are unemployed, and our teachers, our nation builders, are underpaid and undervalued. Fellow Ugandans, this is the time, especially youth. Youth unemployment is a national crisis. Over 70% of Ugandans, 70% of Uganda's population are youth. You know very well that most of them, they are under 30. Yet they are left jobless and hopeless. Our human potential is being wasted. Corruption remains a cancer. Billions are lost every year, and yet no meaningful accountability. The same names saturate in scandals after scandals. Fellow Ugandans, you have a problem of land evictions, poverty, poor roads, and inefficient agriculture sector. These are not just statistics. They are the daily pain of our people. The ruling NRM government has failed to renew itself. It clings to the past, thrives on control, and fears youthful innovation. The opposition, while vocal, has become reactive rather than visionary. Visionary caught in the politics of resistance without a practical plan for national transformation. Uganda needs neither recycled promises nor tired slogans. Uganda needs a bold reset. Fellow Ugandans, that is why I am here, not with the party colors, but with a clear vision. A vision rooted in development, dignity, and unity. As you know, 70% contribute a lot because we all youth. Youth first, jobs first. I'll launch a national skills and Innovation Corps to empower youth with digital agriculture and technical skills like directly to employment opportunities. We will establish local entrepreneurship hubs in every district to fund startups and community-based enterprises. Let's talk about health. Healthcare with dignity. We will invest in community health system, ensure functional district hospital, and guarantee maternal health care across the country. No mother should die while giving birth. Education that builds a nation. We will revamp a UPE. We will revamp UPE and use into truly functional system with the real learning outcomes feeding directly into practical vocational and university pathways. Fellow Ugandans, we have a problem of corruption. Fight corruption with technology and transparency. I will establish a public digital track and all government projects so every citizen can see how their taxes are used in real time. Agriculture that feeds and enriches. We will create agro-industrial zone per region, like farmers to market, provide tools, access to storage, and protect them from exploitation. We will restore our national unity. Fellow Ugandans, we must heal as a nation. We will push for national reconciliation, constitutional reforms, and inclusive governance that reflects every region and tribe. Fellow Ugandans, my campaign is not founded by anyone. It is powered by you, ordinary people. It is powered by teachers, it is powered by borders, it's powered by farmers, it's powered by youth, mothers, and elders who are tired of waiting for change. Promising them change is for tomorrow, change is for today. My fellow Ugandans, this is a campaign for a new Uganda, not a Uganda for fear, but a Uganda of freedom, not a Uganda of handouts, but a Uganda of opportunity. Fellow Ugandans, as an independent candidate, I owe no loyalty to any party. My only loyalty is to you, my fellow Ugandans. The people, we can no longer wait for we can no longer wait for someone else to rescue us. We must raise together. We must dare to imagine a better Uganda and build it together. Fellow Ugandans, I am not asking for your vote today. I am asking you to walk with me in this journey. Challenge me and believe with me. Together, we will build a better country with a development. Not just for us, but for generations to come. The future is not written by the past, but the future is written by the brave. Let us be brave. Let us begin. And the change starts with you. It will start with Kalyesubula Benjamin. Thank you so much for God and my country.